Okay, here's the top side. Blues are going on the left, and the blues that are on the left there. The reds are also on the left here. So that's for those.
Well, here's the bottom of the box that you're looking for.
What kind of part is this? This is the ballast. Okay, what kind? Oh well, this is put in 2010. Okay, so now, and then here, don't zap myself because the wires are on. Okay, so the black wire from the ballast goes into the black. The white wire from the ballast goes into the white. Turn the power off before I do this on the breaker so I don't zap myself. Okay, so I'm just kind of studying the diagram before I tear it apart. So these are my two live wires, and those are my little pieces that you can buy to twist the wires in. Okay, now come over here, and on the bottom side from the ballast, okay, I'm shaking the wires from the ballast. Right there. It's my yellow. Oh, that's kind of weird. Okay, yeah, so this yellow part just pokes in there on the left. Again, this yellow, oh, that's kind of silly. The yellow pokes in here on the left. Okay, but I'm not gonna even mess with these white ones unless for some reason those wires are fried, but my guess is they're probably not. I'm just gonna replace the ballast because that's what I did last time for about $20 and it worked. Okay, so it's on the left there, on the left right side of this one, and then on the, oh, that's weird, left side of that one. Okay, so there's the old ballast. And the last step is to cover the wires with that plastic piece there. It just clips in. But before I did that, I went ahead and I tested to make sure that all 4 of these bulbs lasted. When you go to the hardware store, make sure if you have a 4 ballast converter, you need to get another 4 ballast converter. There's the diagram for that. There's also 2 ballast converters. Make sure you also get the right bulb size. These are T8 bulbs. They're the 4 feet kind. Anyway, everything's working. I shoved the wires back where they came from, so make sure you take your own little video of how yours went. And this is, of course, with the power back on and being safe. We have plastic over those, but we're gonna add this extra measure of safety by putting this cover back on, and I'm gonna tuck all these wires. I'm just gonna tuck these wires up underneath that so you won't see that. Anyway, there it is. So that was about 20 bucks at Home Depot. 120 volt converter. Anyway, I think, yeah, this one lasted about 10 years. And I wrote a little date on mine up there. But this is a 120 to 277 volt converter.